Usman. Good morning, salam alaikum guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing great. It's a beautiful January morning. It's the 31st of January, and yeah, we woke up not long ago. Just had my morning routine. That's basically what I do: brush my teeth, clean my face with water, and then put some the serum that I just bought. It's still on trial. I really want to see if it, it's doing any magic on my skin. As of till now, I don't really know. I kind of think my face is still the same, but anyway, because you're eating yogurt. It's yogurt time right now. It's like an hour, 2 hours after breakfast. Malariam is going to have hers as well. She has the natural yogurt, but this one, it's yeah, full fat yogurt. Malang's is definitely kids flavored yogurt. He's having the flavor banana. Oh, Malang. So, yeah, show me. You finished it?
Dog is romping.
This is how the living room looks like. It's a total mess. And I have to clear it by myself. So as you know, Falu has been gone for 3 weeks now, and I have to manage the house, the food, the children, myself, all by myself, and it's a bit tasking. It wears me out. Yesterday, for example, I slept as soon as the children slept. I didn't have any energy for anything. I slept as soon as they slept, and I woke up when they woke up. So that tells you how tired I am these days. But anyway, we give glory to Allah, alhamdulillah, for everything. And now I'm going to clean the house. Of course, Malang loves hoovering the carpet. I let him do that, and then after he's done cleaning, I take over and finish it. So I'm going to fold the clothes, arrange the clothes in the cupboards, clean the kitchen, the dishes and all that, and I'll take you along. So I hope you love this video. As you can see, I'm done now with cleaning the dishes, setting up the kitchen. It's spotless clean. Heating up the lunch already. The stew, rice, and I want to make some food for Mariam as well. You can hear she woke up, so I'm going to put her on my back and continue juggling everything. So here are our water bottles. What we do, you see this is the recycle symbol. We bring them in this machine. So it's a total of €5.75. So you press here and the receipt comes out and you can use to pay.
Don't put check.
So at this point, it's evening now. Imagine this is when I'm almost kind of done clearing and bringing this place in order. You can still see a few bits and pieces, but I think this will be okay for.
Stuff rolling. It's gonna come over here and get them solved. Yeah. Things, but they're nice. Wow. This African stuff, very nice stuff, bro. Skate down here. Wow. So, have seats. So buying this strawberry, it's 200, and Malik is taking this vanilla. Yeah. This cow, my sisters.